Hello and welcome viewers. Today we are going to discuss higher order multiplexer can be implemented by lower order multiplexer. Up to this we know about multiplexer, but today we will discuss how to implement any higher order multiplexer such as 16 to 1 by using lower order as 4 to 1 multiplexer. Let's discuss how to implement 8 to 1 marks with the help of 4 to 1 and 2 to 1 multiplexer. As it is known that 4 to 1 multiplexer has 4 input line along with 2 select lines and generates 1 output line. In 2 to 1 multiplexer has 2 input lines with 1 select line. This figure shows the truth table of the 8 to 1 multiplexer. We can implement an 8 to 1 multiplexer by using a lower order multiplexer very easily by considering the truth table. Here we take two 4 to 1 multiplexers to get 8 inputs. We get 1 output from each multiplexer in the first step. There are 2 select lines S0 and S1 that are applied to both 4 to 1 multiplexers. These 2 outputs are applied as inputs to 2 to 1 multiplexer in the second step and having 1 select line S2 as shown in the figure. The output will be, if the S2 line is 0, then in that case, the output of the 2 to 1 multiplexer will be one of the 4 inputs I3 to I0 based on select lines S0 and S1. If the S2 line is 1, then in that case, the output 2 to 1 multiplexer will be one of the 4 inputs I7 to I4 based on select lines S0 and S1. Let's discuss how to implement 16 to 1 marks with the help of 8 to 1 and 2 to 1 multiplexer. So we know 8 to 1 multiplexer has 8 input lines along with 3 select lines and generates 1 output line, whereas 16 to 1 marks has 16 inputs and 4 select lines generates 1 output. This figure shows the truth table of the 16 to 1 multiplexer. We can implement a 16 to 1 multiplexer by using a lower order multiplexer very easily by considering the truth table. Here we take two 8 to 1 multiplexers to get 16 inputs. We get 1 output from each multiplexer in the first step. There are 3 select lines S0, S1 and S2 that are applied to both 8 to 1 multiplexers. These 2 outputs are applied as input to 2 to 1 multiplexer in the second step and having 1 select line S3 as shown in the figure. The output will be, if the S3 line is 0, then in that case the output of the 2 to 1 multiplexer will be one of the 8 inputs I7 to I0 based on select lines S0, S1 and S2. If the S3 line is 1, then in that case, the output 2 to 1 multiplexer will be one of the 8 inputs I15 to I8 based on select lines S0, S1 and S2. In today's lecture, we have learned implementation of higher order multiplexer by lower order multiplexer, 8 to 1 multiplexer by using 4 to 1 and 2 to 1 multiplexer, 16 to 1 multiplexer by using 8 to 1 and 2 to 1 multiplexer. With that, we are at the end of this lecture. We will meet again in the next lecture. Till then, practice the relations repeatedly. Thank you and goodbye.